Okay, hi, we're at Okada Manila and it's our wedding anniversary. We are at La Piazza, Italian restaurant. So thank you for joining our vlog and we'll share to you our orders.
La Piazza at Okada Manila is an Italian restaurant that offers taste of la dolce vita, or the sweet life, through its food and ambiance. It's designed to transport guests to Italy, offering a variety of dining experiences. La Piazza features an extensive menu of Italian favorites, from antipasti and pasta to steak and seafood dishes. The restaurant also boasts a well-curated selection of wines, including premium and sought-after bottles. Diners can enjoy a leisurely meal with a beautiful view of the fountain. Please subscribe to my channel to see more fine dining videos. Thank you guys.
Okay, so we have a bread here, complimentary bread. Waiting for our order. Appetizer time here at La Piazza. So there's olive oil with balsamic vinegar. Let's give it a try. The bread's very soft. There's a crunchy layer, but very soft inside, and it's complemented well with the sauce. So very good appetizer here, La Piazza.
For pasta, we ordered tagliatelle alla norsina. It's a classic Italian pasta dish from Umbria region, named after the town of Norcia. It's a rich and flavorful pasta dish made with creamy sauce, pork sausage, and pecorino romano cheese, flavored with black truffle mushroom. For our main dish, we ordered a filetto steak, also known as filet mignon. It's a cut of beef taken from the tenderloin. It's known for its exceptional tenderness and rich flavor. The steak comes with two choices of butter. Number one, the herb butter, and number two, the truffle butter. For our date, we ordered the truffle butter. The steak comes with four choices of sides, and we chose the spinach and mushroom gratin. There are four choices for the sauce, and we chose the red wine jus. For pizza, we ordered the Diavola. It's a fiery and flavorful pizza comprised of meat and spices.
Okay, I'll just dip it here in the sauce. Delicious. Very good steak. Good. Good for you. Yeah. We're enjoying our anniversary dinner here at La Piazza in Okada. And here's our food. We got our steak and pasta.
You like with tomato? Bigyan kita.
Yeah. try the steak siding. There. Yeah, looks like it's cheese with spinach. Yes, let's try this out. It's a strong cheese flavor, mixed well with the vegetables. Perfect siding for the steak. This is very good. The steak is very good. I really like the sauce. It's something new to me. It's sweet and you get a hint of wine.
The Diavola pizza was meaty and spicy. The truffle pasta was basically a carbonara with truffle sauce. Very delicious.
Truffle pasta.
I tried spreading the truffle butter and putting the red wine juice sauce into the steak. Very delicious, exploding with flavor. For dessert, we ordered the panna cotta. Anniversary compliments, we got 3 pieces of cheesecake from Okada Manila. And of course, to partner with the dessert, we ordered our cafe latte. The panna cotta is made of cooked vanilla cream, berry sorbet, and rosemary twill. Soft and creamy in the inside. Thank you to La Piazza. They gave us our anniversary cheesecake complimentary on the house. Tastes very good. La Piazza at Okada Manila has its own access to the music, lights and fountain show, which happens every hour at night. This is a good scene for you and your partner to enjoy the anniversary dinner and make it one of the highlights of the evening.